Hello, this is a test of my cloned voice.
All right, so a few months ago, I wanted to generate a voice clone of myself and then using RAG, give it essentially a knowledge base about myself so I could talk to my twin. But the open source models at the time were not really up to par. But with the release of Resemble AI's Chatterbox a few days ago, I now felt like I could build something that was really good. So what you just heard was actually a clone done by Chatterbox. And so I built out this simple UI. And essentially, you can just upload a knowledge base. Here, what I actually did is I pasted and embedded just one of the articles from my Substack about being a divisional athlete. I felt like it was pretty niche stuff that I could test if this like semantic search was working properly, and also gave it a little bit of my like authentic voice. Um, and then under the voice clone, I'm not going to do it live because when you add an audio file, it actually takes a really long time for me to run locally. I'm on my MacBook right now, and I don't have any like GPUs to accelerate this. So it takes about 20, 30 seconds. So in the interest of time, I'm just kind of showing the user flow. What you can add here for the persona, this is really just kind of altering the system prompt for GPT to give more context. And so I kind of just let it show that the uploaded documents are like the knowledge and experience. And then on the back end, there's extra information in the system prompt saying like, look, you're acting as a twin, like don't leave that persona of being an AI. Once you're done with that, then you can just start chatting. And over here, I already generated one response. So you can see like, what are the downsides of growing in college? And it actually drawed on that article perfectly, gave that explanation, and then I can play that audio right here, which is my clone voice.
Rowing in college, especially at the Division I level, had its downsides. It demanded everything from me, early mornings, long days, and intense training. It made my world smaller, limiting my social connections and experiences outside of the team. Balancing academics with rowing was a challenge, affecting my focus and opportunities for research and internships. The structured life as an athlete made the transition to post graduation freedom difficult. Despite the discipline and skills gained,
Okay, so I'm going to stop that early just so we can do one more thing. It does take a while to generate the response, so I'm going to see if I can get it to answer shortly, and the voice model will take less time. Um, let's see how this works. And yeah, it's coming along. It's going to go ahead and start sampling that voice.
Lauren,
Boom, and there you go. There's my name.
Lauren,
And so it does take about 60 seconds to do a full reply like this, which is a while. Obviously, I'm just kind of CPU limited. But yeah, really, really excited, really grateful that Resemble open sourced this Chatterbox model because it's a lot better than what was out there before. What I was using previously was this MyShell Open Voice V2, which was really good for April 2024, very impressive. But I think now I'm in kind of the realm of it being a little freaky good and really sounding like me. Originally, I was going to use Resemble AI as just API, but it's quite expensive. It's like $700 a month for actually what I wanted to do. 11 Labs, the other kind of competitor in this space, over 1,300 per month to do what I would want to do to kind of do voice clones. So cool to have this kind of local thing running. Ideally, I would have some like GPUs to run it on as well, but yeah, I'll probably put the GitHub up. So feel free to try it for yourself.